Hello, hello. Been a long day for my team and I. Just got back from Atlanta, Georgia, where our company is headquartered. Shout out to Rashad McCants, old school. Anyways, always a good trip going down to headquarters. Learn something new every single time we go down there. Our story continues to evolve. We continue to learn how to tell it better, get our name and brand out there. And one thing, always have good conversation, right? Whether it's about Centrix or not about Centrix. But a great conversation, we had there was just, what is really at the heart of any sale? And a lot of the feedback was relationships, right? People buy from people, and I hear that all the time on social, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever. All this automation coming out, AI, chat bots, whatever. At the end of the day, people buy from people, and I think that is definitely true. Something I'm getting more familiar with. The better you are at building relationships, the more successful you're going to be at in sales and really in life in general. But I do think there's an element, as salespeople, that we have to really understand what times we're living in right now, and everything that buyers used to be able to or used to utilize sales reps for. A lot of that upfront information that you would typically have on an intro call is readily available to them on the internet. Any subscriptions they have to research companies that provide data, they can go out and learn about your company and your offerings and everything that you have to offer. And I think the sales rep really is coming in at a different point in the cycle. Definitely when the buyer is a lot further down in that funnel, and it's really more of an SME conversation, right? And I think from my point of view, and really my team's point of view here in Charlotte, is that if you're going to succeed in sales, one you got to be a great relationship builder for sure. But you also got to become an SME in your space. If you're just a sales rep, you're good at building relationships, but you don't really know a whole lot about your product or service, you're probably going to fail and not see as much success, I guess I should say, moving forward over the next 5 or 10 years. Really, it's the SMEs, the people that can get in the weeds with you, get in the weeds with the buyers. Those are the people that are going to be really the best sales reps. And so relationship building, being an expert in your field, and also just sales reps becoming more marketers rather than salespeople. Nobody wants to be sold to. I don't like that pushy car salesman when I step foot on a dealership's lot and I'm looking at buying a car. I'm going to be there for hours. He's going to push me, try and sell me on the latest and greatest. I got this deal going on, whatever. I don't want that. I think that spans all industries. So those are my thoughts. Hope everybody has a great day. Start thinking about how we can be better sales reps, how we can cater to our buyers and people that we're trying to help in their day-to-day operations, and really just try and get with the times.